Now to the elastic. I've slid this little slide over the end of the elastic and then whip stitched it. I just tied a knot and stitched it on both sides and then tied another knot just to hold that in place. And at the other end, I've pulled a piece of the thread through the elastic and then through the needle. Tie the ends of the elastic to get the ends of the thread together. And now I'm going to pull this through the channels. And I'm going to start with this channel on the inside of the foot. This is the left, this is the right foot, so I'm going into the left channel on the heel piece and pulling the cord through, and then I'll hear a little pop when the little slide gets seated. Now I pull it through the vamp or toe piece, making sure that I don't twist the elastic, and then through the other channel, the other half of the heel piece channel. And now I'll go through the little slide, which acts kind of like a little buckle. Don't want to get the thread twisted anywhere. And through the other side of the little slide. And then a final pull will be passing the elastic through the same channel that we started out with. I'm pulling it through, making sure it's not twisted, and then clipping this off. And then might be the best idea to try this shoe on the child, and if the elastic needs to be tightened up, then do so, and then put a few stitches in right here between the two pieces of elastic, so that'll hold it. And then if at some point the elastic gets loose, then unstitch that little bit, tighten it up, restitch, and he's ready to go. She's ready to go for more of those baby steps.